Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So it's very easy, but there are some requirements to it. So if you open up Instagram, and you might be able to see, but what you have to do is just press on this corner, which is a pencil icon. If you press on it, you'll be able to see some stuff. But if you're not seeing broadcast channel, that means you don't have a creator account. So first up, you need a creator account. Basically, you must have 10,000 plus followers to achieve that kind of creator account. So obviously you need that. And then make sure that your Instagram is updated to the latest version. Just go to App Store or Play Store and just make sure that your Instagram is updated. Okay, and just keep on checking like that. And then if it's still not showing, if you are uh, having the required criteria, like you have a required account, you got 10,000 followers, and you have updated the app, but you still cannot see it, and then the feature must not be available in your country. But yeah, this is it. You just need to update and check it. uh, so if you're not seeing it, you might be on a business account, just switch it to creator account. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out.